In this video, I'm going to show you how to AFK farm Cursed Love boss event in Anime Rangers X inside Roblox. So it's actually quite simple. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is start the boss event. Now, if you click on that and then you click on play, as you can see over here under rewards, it says you have a 0.1% chance to obtain Cursed Love. Now, of course, you can get a few different rewards as well, which is quite nice. And if you click play, of course, you have to be level 15 for that. So let me just demonstrate you in a normal game. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit play over here. I'm gonna create room, create one, and then start that. There we go. It's gonna start teleporting me. And then once you're inside the game, here's what you have to do. Now, it's actually quite simple, but some people miss it because they're just playing the game and they're too busy doing their thing. So over here, inside here, let's just vote to start the game. So after the game starts, there we go. There's a button down here which says autoplay, and it says unit will be spawned automatically. Even if you don't click it, you can AFK it, okay? So you want to do autoplay, and you want to actually activate the autoplay over here. And if you do this, if you actually activate autoplay, you can pretty much AFK farm Cursed Love boss event, okay? So you can just AFK it, and then you can just keep on replaying it and just do it basically as long as you need until you get that Cursed Love. Of course, it's gonna take a lot of time, and you're gonna have to get a bit lucky as well, because as you were able to see, there's only a 0.1% chance of you actually being able to get this inside the boss event. So good luck with that. But yes, as I said, I would actually recommend you do autoplay over here. Don't disable it. Make sure it's green. It's enabled, just like in my case right now. And after you do this, you can pretty much AFK. You can just jump around, stuff like that, and then you'll still have a chance to obtain the Cursed Love. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.